back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. I'm going to show you how to make this amazing broad bean and prosciutto dip. Alright, sounds weird, but it works. Alright, here I've got some water in a saucepan, and I'm just using my kettle to help get that water up to a boiling temperature. And I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. Use as much or little as you want, and we're going to bring that up to a boil. 500 grams worth of frozen broad beans goes into that pot. Okay, once you've come back to the boil and they all start floating like this, well, they're pretty much cooked, and we're ready to get on with our next step, which is going to be, let's strain those off, let them cool down, and I'm going to peel the skins off. I'm not going to show you that, it takes a little bit of time. Right, food processor is on the bench. Around about 1 tablespoon worth of Dijon mustard that can go straight into our little food processor, just like that. Nice and simple. Now here I've got around about 150 grams worth of really thinly cut prosciutto. Okay, that can go straight in, and it's going to give us a mad salty, smoky type flavor, that real earthy type flavor that prosciutto gives you. Alright, so make sure we get everything out of our little standby bowl and put that into our food processor, just like that. Now I'm going to add in all of our shelled broad beans. They can go straight in, and they're nice and cool. They've been sitting in the refrigerator after they've been shelled and cooled down to start with, so they don't burn your hands when you're trying to shell them. And we're going to mix that through like I am just doing right there. Make sure everything is nice and even. Right, let's get on with the rest of our flavorings. Here we've got a little bit of sour cream. I'm going to add that in around about let's say 3 tablespoons worth. They can go straight in on top, just like that. Okay, now we're going to actually blend this in 2 different stages. Alright, so make sure you get your machine all into readiness like I'm doing right now, and we're going to blitz this up for around about 30 to 40 seconds, and if it looks a little bit clumpy and a little bit gloopy, don't worry, we're going to fix that in a second. As you can see, nothing is actually really melding together. Alright, here's my quick tip for you. All we're simply going to do now is add in just a little bit of room temperature water, around about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons worth. That can go in, and while we're at it, I'm going to add in a little bit of ground white pepper just to give it a little bit of what for. Now we can now put that food processor back to work again, and as you can see, things are moving a lot more easily. Okay, so once all your prosciutto and all of your broad beans are all basically married and getting to know each other really well, all we have to do now is serve that up. And if you haven't tried a broad bean and prosciutto dip before, wow, you don't know what you're missing. Great flavors. How easy was that? I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video or not, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too, regardless. Leave a comment, I love reading, I love responding to them. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Hey, share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. This recipe is good for any time of the year. Alright, if you want to learn how to make quick and easy, interesting party type foods or snacky type foods like this, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my broad bean and prosciutto dip, and I will catch you next time. Bye.